In today's video, we are going to show you how to stop pCloud from backing up your files or photos. This is useful if you want to save storage, pause syncing, or change what folders are being backed up. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the pCloud app on your device and make sure you are logged in into your account. Now, hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the backup. As you may notice, I backed up the desktop on my computer, the documents, downloads, music, pictures, and videos, almost everything. Okay, so all I have to do to stop it or pause it is turn the slide off, going to the left to turn it off. Now, there is going to be a pop-up window asking you to make sure that you wanted to stop backing up this folder. If you are decided, just click on OK and do the same thing all over again for all these. All right, let me do it one by one. It may take a little while because the windows are kept popping up every time I hit the turn off. All right, just be patient. And remember, at this point, you want to make sure that you are not using a VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the connection. Now, if you want to choose another folder for backup, all I have to do is super simple. Click the add the folder right here, and then choose the folder that you wanted to back it up as the default. Okay, so like that folder. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to stop pCloud from backing up. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.